You too, Ellie.
Where do I stand?
You can all kind of go around. You just listen to Etsu. She'll give you directions.
What are we doing?
We're gonna pull.
We're gonna pull? We're gonna pull what?
Okay, Papa will help.
Garment.
Okay, just a
What's
second.
that mean?
The hair side.
You know what this is to be? Touch it.
Oh.
There. There.
Oh.
Why are we gonna pull?
Moose.
Yeah, you're just going to grab a piece of this hide,
Come,
Mary.
Get over here. Okay, Rini, stay
Grab
on
the
this
middle
side.
piece here.
Hold that
Yeah.
side.
It's okay. Don't worry.
Go here.
Where do I pull?
Beside Ellie, grab that on that corner. Okay, we don't.
Mary,
Okay.
come beside Mama.
What we're gonna do is you got all over the. Yeah, don't pull it in there. Yeah, over it. Okay, this is 4 corners.
Where's
Okay,
Eli?
what we're
Hi,
gonna do
Ate.
is we're
Hi there.
gonna dry it and each Nolan
Hurry
over
up,
there
Eli.
beside Ellie. Put Eli there.
You can grab a corner.
Maybe beside Shin.
Watch out the fire.
Beatrice. Nolan beside Beatrice.
Okay, yeah, come over here, man.
We'll leave those two.
Sounds good.
Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
what we're gonna do is, okay, kind of just fluff it and then pull as hard as you can. These corners.
Pull
Grab-
back. So lean again
Lean
away.
back.
Yeah,
Ellie?
lean back.
Ellie, you gotta pull. Pull. Okay, and then let it, and then just keep it down, straight. Okay, let's pull. And okay, now pull. Pull there. Okay, keep pull.
Okay. Yeah, you guys are doing great.
Yeah,
Pull.
good with lots of hands.
Good job, Eli.
Yeah.
Pull with the
See who can pull who into the fire.
Yeah,
Okay,
don't worry, we're
there
all
we go.
holding it so you won't fall over.
Yeah, and then there.
Oh, the wrinkles are coming out.
Okay,
Yeah, it's
now-
going nice and flat.
Okay, let's turn it around, Ellie. Let
Okay,
go.
let go. Okay,
Turn it around.
okay. Spin. Let
Ellie,
go.
grab Papa's side.
We're turning it. Yeah, you can have this corner, Ellie.
Ellie,
Yeah, yeah. We're just rotating it.
yeah. And move up
Okay,
that
now
way.
you'll grab over here.
Yeah.
We're all moving down a little
Ellie,
bit.
okay, now we pull this
Okay.
way. Okay, pull against me. Pull.
Okay.
There.
Win.
Oh, oh.
Hey!
Let's see who's got the real muscles around here.
Okay.
Yeah, there you guys.
There.
Oh, that's good.
Okay. Okay. Ellie, grab that one and pull against
You
me.
guys are so strong.
Yeah, and
Wow.
pull this way.
I like how Aaron's facing me.
Hey, Mary, you're supposed to be helping.
Okay, let's turn it around this way.
Keep rotating it again. Okay,
Yeah.
let's move it all the way down.
Okay.
Grab a new spot.
Yeah, got it. We gotta have it over the side.
Isaac, Eli, Nolan, grab a new spot.
Let go, Ray.
Okay.
Not that I
Not that hole. Not
Hey,
Yeah, we don't want to risk the holes.
if we gotta be onto over the fire, you
Over the
guys.
fire. Okay, a little bit more.
too far.
Okay, there we go.
Uh-huh.
The smoke.
Pull!
Okay. Great work.
Facing Auntie.
I like.
You're supposed to go like this.
Okay.
Do it for Auntie!
They're pulling
Yeah!
Hey!
Do it for Auntie!
Mary, you can pull too, yeah.
Mary, yeah, you
There you go. Boy, that hide's gonna be so nice when it's finished.
There.
I'm not loose to some schools.
It's pretty smoky here.
That looks actually pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want to do both sides?
There.
Smoke got
Good
it.
job, you guys.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's big, okay?
Yeah.
That's it.
You're gonna be able to make a lot of mucklucks and stuff with that.
Look over there. That's it.
Huh?
Looks like that. Oh, look at it already. I can't believe you didn't notice
That was fun.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's how you do it. Now I'm gonna See, it's like soft.
Oh yeah.
Very,
Yeah, just like a blanket.
yeah, very soft. So,
Yeah.
but
Soft like a blanket.
almost ready to sew it up and tan it. So.
Yeah, that won't take all that long to do.
No.
Yeah. Hey Jonah, you didn't help. You didn't help, Jonah? No? Yeah.